beginning tournament. And we've got some prizes to give out to you guys, as you probably know. And it's what happens. You want a prize? Alright, so first place is going to Justin and his puppet deck for an undefeated win. Y'all get it. Alright, you get to choose between these two mats. Whose car is that? You? Okay. Alright. Now, second place goes to Dimitri. This guy right here. Alright? And he gets the second mat. Alright? Cool stuff. Now, third place goes to JB. You got third. You got third, good sir. Yeah. You played Dimitri for time in second place. You get a Will of the Youth card, as well as you get one more promo from this box of your choice. Alright, 4th, 5th, and 6th go to Antonio, Taylor, and Tyler, and they all get a Will of the Youth card. It's a $4 card. So if you happen to not a straight date, pretty good card. So I think y'all's parents are. Yeah. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Y'all, shake my hand goodbye. It's nice to meet you, gentlemen.
Nice to meet you too.
Y'all enjoy y'all. Hey, 2 weeks. 2 weeks at 5 o'clock. 2 weeks at 5. All right. Taylor, here's your card. Are you sad?
No.
You didn't win? Okay, careless. If you want,
Careless.
just let me know when.